Would he know this about you? Nature Edition. Girls, send this to your boyfriend. If he gets more than one question wrong, he owes you a trip to nature. What type of place would she prefer? Mountains or beach? What type of animals would she like to see? Birds or whales? What weather does she prefer? Sunny or rainy? What outdoor activity does she know? Hiking or camping? What natural phenomenon does she find fascinating? Northern lights or volcanoes? Comment below if she got everything right. For more daily questions, download Amorify for free.